Hello ladies, hello gentlemen, welcome to another vloggy vlog. This time driving a car. Why not? Same old Dumbo Brooklyn streets, but this time in the car. Come on, buddy. It's a little different than a motorcycle because of the size, volume, speed, all the things. But I am literally taking this car to be sold. This is a company car, the company that I work for, and this is it. The maiden voyage would be the first voyage. This is the last voyage, the final voyage. Come on, boys and girls, do it. Can't be lane splitting in this thing. This is a 2014 Honda Pilot SUV. I don't mind it. I like it. Got my little coffee. You know, it's a beautiful Monday morning, 10:18. Usually I drive with a little bit of music on, but don't want the video to be flagged, so no music. But yeah, look at it. Look at this thing. Perfect. Much excitement. And it's a chilly little day. I rode my motorcycle this morning. See, wearing my Blvd jacket. It was a little bit chilly, although today is gonna be the warmest day of the week. So if I'm chilly today, I'm in real trouble tomorrow. But it's gonna be all right. There we go. For a big truck, this thing has pickup. This thing definitely has some pickup. The gas light is on. Was not aware of that, but I don't mind. See, that's the subway station over there. That's Dumbo. That's BQE. That's where we're about to go. That's where we're about to be. But whatever. It's all good. Right above me is Manhattan Bridge. That's what you're hearing right now. You're hearing some loud ass train action. Here we go. Here we are. Bum bum. Is there like navigation here? I don't think so. Nothing. Nope, there's nothing in there. Good. Good, good, good. Here we are. Gonna take a little right to the BQE. There we are. Not so bad. Cruising with the window open, but I'm gonna have to roll that sucker up any second now because it's chilly. Did you guys see those car marks, track marks on that hill? There we go. Check the mirrors. Got it, bro. Roll up the window. This car for 2014, 40,000 miles, right? 43,000 miles. It actually fucking moves for a big SUV. It's a V6. Not bad at all. So yeah, right now we're going from Dumbo, which is downtown Brooklyn. We're driving to Queens, to Woodside, Queens, I think is the name of the area I'm going to. It's pretty exciting. And then once I sell the car, I'm gonna take the train back. Take the train back, the subway train back to Dumbo. You know what I mean? Why not? This big ass truck is passing me on the right. Hell, why not? Do it, bro. Mack truck. Oh man, it's so much easier to cruise in a car. I mean, look at this. Just freaking relaxing. Just taking it easy. Nothing too stressful in the car, except for traffic. I'm about to hit some traffic any second here. This minivan is in front of me is driving a little passively, so we'll pass it. We'll pass this guy. Why not? Change it up a little bit. You guys are familiar with this little drive. It's a little different in the car, obviously. So many Hondas everywhere. Nice. All right, I'll change back to the left lane. Why not? Look at this guy. This guy in the pickup truck got garbage in his fucking bag. What a douchebag. What a fucking douchebag. Fucking idiot. Littering down the highway. Why not? And there's a cop waiting there for a little speeders actions. Interesting. Didn't realize there'd be a cop there. And now it's a minivan that I passed about to pass me. Cool. Yeah, I just don't like it when people litter. Littering is just not a cool thing at all. And that's the exit I normally take right here. But not today. Not right now. Yeah, I have a good day planned after I work, after my job. I usually get out around 4, get home by like, oh, look at that building. Interesting. That's a pretty nifty building right there. I don't mind that building at all. It's like a ship. But yeah, today after work I got gym. I'm gonna wiggle for an hour, do some sweating. After gym, I'm gonna work on paper bikes. I have some paper bikes to finish, and Paper Bikes is my little 3D bicycle company, and I gotta finish this one project. I'm building this Triumph Thruxton for a friend, and I have to finish it. It normally takes me a couple weeks, and look at this little construction over here. Normally takes me a couple weeks, and this one took me already like a month. So, oh, look at that Porsche. Ooh, that color. I like it. Not bad at all. Oh yeah, the car vloggy vlog. Wait, is that somebody on the roof of my building? Is that true? No, that is not my building. I thought that was my building, but it ain't. Give it some speed. Give it a little bit of speed. We're essentially almost there. We're not going that far. With any luck, 10 more minutes or so. Monday. What can be said about Monday? It's a day of hope. It's a day of progress. The day of dreams and ideas. Day of motivation. Been trying to do this detox thing, so no drinking for me. Gives me a little extra energy and will to live. Drinking is exhausting. As fun as it is, it's just draining. Kosciuszko Bridge. This bridge here is all lit up usually. It's all rainbow colors. But look, during the day, it's just a regular old bridge. Nothing special. A little bit of traffic here because people get confused. It's so interesting, like driving a car, you figure out like the psychology of an average driver. Because look, right ahead over there's 2 lanes, and in exactly 30 seconds I'm gonna go as fast as I possibly fucking want. But right now everybody's slowing down because there's a turn to the right. Why? No fucking clue. I don't know. No idea why. But literally people just slow down over here because it's a turn, because it's an exit. Never understood that. Look at that pile of dirt to the right. God damn, son. Come on. See? Look at this fucking guy. Just turn it off to dirt. Look at this pile of dirt. What's happening here? I don't know. Not exactly sure, but I'm gonna pull one of these maneuvers. Get around everybody. Get around everybody. Get past that truck on the right like a savage, but just stay here. Not a hugest enchilada. Part of me wants to try Taco Bell's Nacho-fries. I know it's disgusting. I know it's poisonous. I know it will hurt my stomach. But part of me wants to try it. But I won't, because it's too early. 10:30? It's a little too early for Taco Bell. After 11? Maybe. 10:30 for Taco Bell? Can't do it. Can't be done. There we go. Come on, New Jersey. Don't be scared. Don't be scared, New Jersey. And New Jersey is the car ahead of me. That's sweet Kia Optima. Sick as fuck. Your tail light is out, bruh. Get your ginger straight. Look at this fucking guy. We'll just pass him. Go to the right. Go to the right. Ooh, no, no. Fucking dick. Fum 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 fum. Do da do da do. Da 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 da. Do 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 do. Dee 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 dee. Do 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 do. 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 Here we are. We're almost there. I think this, like, not this exit, but the one after it. Ooh, look at that building they're building right there. It's gonna be some nice views of the BQE. Why not? What are you fucking doing? Wow. Fucking dumbass. Florida. Florida. What do you expect? Not too much. Not too much. Look, he's gonna cut me off again. Just want to take a look and see what kind of driver he is. Yeah, it's a grandpa. He's a grandpa. And here we are. Northern Boulevard, Burger King. I used to like go to these places a lot more often, but I don't do much fast food all that much nowadays. And here we are. What are you fucking doing, dumbass? Confused. You can't even find the lane, you know? But that's Honda life. Except I can't talk about it because I'm driving a Honda right now, technically. Except this ain't my Honda. Oh, look at that. Taco Bell. Change the colors. That's the spot. But I'm just not gonna play those games today. Look at this guy. He's legit driving down the middle. Much confusion. So here we are. Here's the used Paragon. And we're going to pull in to Paragon Honda. Alright, boys and girls, I shall talk to you soon. I shall talk to you later.